Hey there, I'm Dawn Gaden, and I want to invite you into my group, Amplify Your Joy. This is a place where we really start to look at how to create more joy in our life, to get off this autopilot place of living and just going through the motions, but actually consciously creating joy in our life. And I have an amazing event coming up January 13th. Amplify Your Joy Intensati event. So you're going to want to take a look at the details, and there are more experiences, more events, more workshops that are going to be very similar to this, and that's how we step into the power of creating the life that we choose. We have to know and understand our thoughts, our emotions, and our actions. And we can do this with fun. This doesn't have to be a lot of hard work. Let's amplify it all with joy and really start to create this life that we've desired for so long. There's no more waiting. It's now. Now is the time to start creating the life that you love in a community that understands and is supportive and cheers you on. So let's get going.